Hello. This is a different part of the forest. This is the area closest to our storage cabins. This area is very tall now and very dense. We have perennial peanut as ground cover. This is a gilricidia tree right here. Sunflower, coleaus, inga ice cream bean, yacon. It's over 6 feet tall now. Some tree spinach. We've got cassava. Cacao. This one had some flowers on it. Still got a few. First time flowering. Oh, baby. More cacao over there. And our durio, lowianus in the middle there. Planted that 1 year ago, like last week, and it was like 2 feet tall. Now it's, I think we measured it and it was about 10 feet tall. Lots of basket grass in here. It's a little tall and a little itchy, but it's an okay ground cover. Some taro, cordelia, sunflower, coleaus, or the tree spinach. Looks like a mame apple that came up on its own. We got a pepper that's still hanging out in here from a previous garden. There's something called Macrantha in here. It makes an edible tuber, kind of like arrowroot. Yam vine. Comfrey. More coleus. Rollinia. Banana. That banana is our first banana to go to fruit here in a while anyways. And there's a grafted durian tree right next to honey dog. There's Alba over there on a 6-foot ladder. There's a row of sugarcane over there. And there is so much growing that I can't get anywhere else to show you anything else from here. But that's okay. Everything's getting so tall and beautiful. There's an albizia that we left in here. Walk out this way. This taro leaf is huge. This is another of the tree spinaches. We have 3 or 4 different kinds. Good food, good chop and drop. Every food forest here in Hawaii needs it. Oh, baby, you got the plant. Just pulled some afromomum down on us. So there's those cacao you could see from the other side of the gilricidia. And here's the durio lowianus in all of its glory. It's doing pretty darn good. Instead of caging our trees, we build up a forest first before we plant stuff. This is the afromomum. Interplanted with some sugarcane. The afromomum really took off. But it does make fruit. Looks like it needs to go a little bit longer. It's still kind of dark. Makes these cool spikes that come up out of the ground. And they have these cool little flowers. And then they make these cool fruit pods. And then they turn bright pink like that other one. And then you can pick them. And you can see Alba picked off this one last week. Well, I guess that's it for today. I hope everybody's having a good day. Please go outside, breathe some fresh air, say hello to a tree, maybe even plant a tree, and just have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.